Hey ya, welcome to OnMaker Studio. So this is the Bass Shake Effect Visualizer, a swift technique to infuse vigor into your music videos. No plugins or complex software needed. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to effortlessly create this effect for free without any third-party tools. With that said, let's start. First, open your browser and type onemaker.io. At the OnMaker's homepage, we'll select Music Visualizer. So here comes the visualizer page. And here comes the Bass Impact Ripples Visualizer. Believe me, this visualizer takes the bass beats to another level. Let's click on this one. Here we land on this editor page and you can customize this whole template. I will change the author name and song name. First, I want to place my logo. For that, I will click on Upload Logo and adjust the size. Now, I will click here on Upload Background to change the background image. You can upload any photo or video up to 100 megabytes. I am uploading an image. Click on Advanced Settings. First, upload the audio. Audio action is completed, as you can see. Now select the video format. I'll go with the 16:9 and click on Export or Update Video. It will take a few seconds to generate preview. Here comes the video preview and I like it. If you don't like the preview, go back to Edit. Otherwise, click Make Full-Length HD Video. Once you click on Full-Length HD Video, a sign-up window will appear. If you sign up for free, there will be a small watermark on the video. Once you sign up, you can access your video in My Video section here. Here is full HD video. You can download it on your computer. Now you can enjoy this video. Post on YouTube, Facebook, and other social media platforms. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want some more easy-to-follow editing tutorials just like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.